Have you updated your Zoom to 5.0 yet? It has so many cool features. Let me show you around. My name is Patricia with Regier Educational Services. I'll add a link to the description below so you can update your profile as well, your account as well. Okay, so let me show you around with some of the cool new features and some hot tips onto what to watch out for. So first of all, when you have downloaded 5.0, then you will also need to go into virtual backgrounds, and it will give you the option to download virtual video filters. That's an important next step that will help with the other options too. So what's really fun are these new filters, just like other social media platforms that you can have hat, but I like these overlay ones in particular, and you can have a lot of fun with those. That one's fun too. So, or you can go to none, virtual backgrounds. This is where you can check out our other video about that. And then when you share screen, now, we usually have the basic options here. Whiteboard that's where you would share for that. And advanced. This is where you can upload PowerPoint as a virtual background. So when you share that, you need to also pick a PowerPoint slide deck. And then it will automatically create your slide deck to be your virtual background. Now, as you saw before, I didn't have my green screen up today. What's important to note is your picture right here, you can make yourself bigger, but you can't move yourself over, so you'd have to do that physically. And then you want to keep in mind how you create your PowerPoint slides so that it accommodates you having yourself in the corner. I'm going to record this briefly here on my computer, and then I will show you what it looks like and what's being recorded. If you run into, when you've done this, that the PowerPoint slides aren't working, it might be that you have not completed the filter download option. That's the next step for the upgrade. You want to keep in mind your view for that recording, that it's still the square in the corner or the side, and you can test that out ahead of time for recording and what it looks like when you're moving your slides through. So you won't have the fancy, if you have text that's coming up, it will just look like a couple blank slides, because those slides would have had animations, and it certainly won't give you the option of the transitions between your slides too. So you need to keep in mind then to have your text right on the screen right away. But especially if you're talking and your message has a lot of pictures behind it, this might work quite nicely. And these pictures, and this was a video as well, movement in the slide deck as a virtual background, it doesn't work the same way. But there's definitely pros and cons, and this is a great option to consider. So I invite you to check out our new download for creating engaging online events, and our new course as well. This is the new course. So lighting might be a factor when you have, depending on how you look on the screen. Too much light, not enough light, what your background looks like. Some people have found that they look like a ghost. Definitely consider that the downloads, all the steps. You might need to restart your computer after you've downloaded as well to make sure everything works well.